If you love zucchini, you have to try this. Today we are making a quick and easy one-wok dish that combines tender beef and fresh veggies. It's the perfect way to turn the light flavor of zucchini into something rich, savory, and satisfying. Let's get started. First, slice the zucchini. Take your time. We want the slices to be thin because this dish is a quick stir fry, and thinner slices will cook faster and more evenly. Then sprinkle in some salt. Mix well and let it sit for 15 minutes. The salt helps to draw out excess water from the zucchini. This helps keep the stir fry dry and crisp, and prevents your dish from becoming watery. Next, prepare the beef. One of the tricks to make your beef tender is to slice it against the grain. This breaks up the muscle fibers and makes the meat much more tender and easier to chew. Take your time, slice the beef into thin pieces, about the thickness of a coin. If you find it hard to slice the beef thinly, here's a little trick. Put the beef in the freezer for a short while. Once it firms up a bit, it's much easier to slice evenly without slipping. Now let's marinate the beef. Here is another trick to make your beef tender. Add water in 2 to 3 batches, mixing each time until the beef absorbs it all. This step helps the beef stay juicy and tender. Then add soy sauce and ground pepper, mix well. Add cornstarch and stir until no dry powder is visible. Then add a bit of oil to lock in the moisture and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting, prepare some carrots to add color to the dish. We also need 3 to 4 sliced cloves of garlic and some ginger slices or shreds. Mix salt, chicken bouillon powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and water. Stir well and set aside. After 15 minutes, your zucchini should have released quite a bit of water. Rinse off the salt and squeeze it dry. Heat your pan with oil until it just starts to smoke. Add the beef and stir fry quickly. As soon as it starts to brown, remove it from the pan. You don't need to fully cook it at this step. No need to wash the pan. Add garlic and ginger and stir until fragrant. Since carrots take longer to cook, add them first and stir fry briefly. Then add zucchini. Stir until slightly softened. Then add the beef back in. Pour in the sauce and stir fry everything together for another 10 to 15 seconds. And it's done. The key to this dish is high heat and short cooking time. Thanks to the marinade, the beef stays juicy and tender. The zucchini soaks up the savory beef flavor and becomes incredibly tasty. perfect for busy weeknights when you want something healthy and satisfying. If you give it a try, come back and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.